Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. I did an in the post number 2 not so long back, and there were 4 coins in there that I'm going to show on this particular video. I'm combining 2 videos that I planned as 2 separate videos, but I'm combining it into one because, well, basically because I can. And what it is I have 4 coins. They're different parts of the world. And to be honest, the video wouldn't be long enough if I just did 2 coins in each video. So I'm actually taking these coins and, oops, it says, oh well, and making them into one video. This first one came flipped like this. I don't buy these flips that aren't self-adhesive. I don't like them. Staples getting everywhere. If those staples rust, they could easily affect the coin. This is a 1 lira from Turkey. It's bimetallic, and you got Turkey, and then within the golden part, the coloured part, the gold part is in the centre. The outer ring is silver. It's Turkish. You've got a laurel in the centre of the that goes virtually all the way round the middle part of the coin, the gold or brass part of the coin, and it says 1 lira, and it is dated 2015, which is in very small text at the bottom there. Now, the reason why I got this one, I saw it, and apart from liking animals on coins, which I do, we have an Angora sheep or Angora ram. It's where you get your wool from, the Angora wool from. Let me just bring that in so you can see it properly. There's the obverse, which is the 1 lira and everything else, and the reverse is the Angora sheep or Angora ram. It is a native to that part of the world. It has a very thick coat, which makes very fine wool. Probably amongst the best wool for making clothes from. And you pay a premium price if you buy a knitted sweater or a cardigan that's made from Angora. It's a nice coin in the sense that it shows an unusual animal, and perhaps an animal we wouldn't normally have on a coin. So that's the reason why I got that one. The other one, that is from a country, this is Italy before it went to Euro mad. We have an Italian coin, and it's round, but on the inside you have, as part of the die is pressed down, it looks as if it's almost a multi-sided coin, which is, I suppose it is in a way, it is multi-sided. It is Italian. I believe it's 1992 is the date. So you have the Italian coin with the head on it. I think it looks like a woman actually, that head. Then on the reverse, I have to turn it the other way up, we have a bimetallic coin, and it's 1,000 lira. A very unusual amount of money to have as a coin. That seems to be a star shape inside with a geometric pattern. I'm not sure what it's supposed to represent. Is it Italy? Is it a map of Italy? It looks as if it could be a map of the Mediterranean. Anyway, and it seems to be dated 1997. Unusual coin. I hadn't seen one like it. But I saw it on a YouTube channel, I'm not sure which one it was, and I thought that's an interesting coin, and I went off and did some research on it, and I've managed to pick one up for myself. As I say, I think the geometric pattern, or the pattern on the inside, I think might well be a map of the Mediterranean, but don't quote me on it because I'm not 100% sure. We're staying in the Med, which is the thing that links all of these coins, and we have a round pound. Now the only country in the Med that has a round pound is of course Gibraltar. There's a Queen's portrait from Gibraltar. This coin was actually issued last year, 2021. It was for the Queen's 95th birthday. There was a 50p that was produced as well. This was the pound, and this was the one I was missing of the two. It's got the 95 in the centre, and it's got the Queen's date of birth, which is 1926 through to 2021. It has the crown cipher, it has a crown at the top, and it just says 95 glorious years. It says glorious years is in the banner just below 95. Very nice coin, one I didn't have, and I needed to complete the 95th year birthday that she just celebrated. This coin's a little older. It's a £2 coin from the year 2004. Bimetallic. Queen's portrait. It's I've not seen many coins with this particular portrait on. Now I don't know how long this portrait was used by Gibraltar, but it's seems quite long and thin, and it doesn't really take up an awful amount of the centre of the bimetallic coin, which a lot of other portraits of Her Majesty does. It looks a bit unusual from my point of view, having seen the vast majority of Her Majesty the Queen is with a virtually taking up the whole of this section of the coin, or the portrait, so it's a bit of an unusual portrait. And what this one represents is a tricentenary 1704 to 2004 of Gibraltar's existence. Oops, let's get that back in there. The tricentenary. Now the actual design is the Rock of Gibraltar with a couple of sailing ships, masted sailing ships going into the harbour. This is reminiscent in some ways of the Trafalgar and also the Battle of Gibraltar coins that they have issued in the recent past, or in the last 20 years or so. So, those are the 4 coins I've got. The link for these 4 coins for this video is the Mediterranean. We have 2 from the east end of the Mediterranean, from the eastern end of the Mediterranean in Turkey and Italy, and we have 2 from the far west end of the Mediterranean, from the small rock island of Gibraltar. So, have you enjoyed this video? Please tell me in the comments below which is your favourite coin. Which one would you want in your collection? I've made no bones about it that this year I want to grow my channel significantly. I've not done too bad in the first couple of 3 months, however I want to continue the growth of the channel. So to use the YouTube algorithm, part of it is worked out on how many likes for the videos you get, and also your subscriber level, and using that they will then put you in front of new people who've never seen your videos before, and hopefully they will then carry on subscribing to the channel. So if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel immensely, and it takes only a couple of seconds. If you're one of the 50% of the viewers that I have for my videos that aren't yet subscribed, can you please seriously think about doing so, because it will help me tremendously in growing the channel if you do subscribe. But only do it if you feel that I deserve your subscription. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for getting to the end of the video. I do put out 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and ta-ra for now. Bye bye.